Dad and I are packing up the car and we are going to the beach for the first time with Birdie. We've been on beach walks and stuff, but we've never hung out on the sand with her, so we're really excited. Wow. You excited to go to the beach, kid? Yeah. It's really, really sunny and beautiful out today. So we're just gonna go get some fresh air and hang out. This hat is my mom's old hat. And then I'm wearing this kimono that I got at Forever 21, I think, actually. And then I have some H&M denim and some Pons. All right, we're in the car and off to the beach. But first stop, In-N-Out. What are you gonna get?
Double double.
Double double animal style?
Double double animal style.
With ketchup instead of spread. Or mustard instead of spread.
And chilies.
Oh, and chilies. All of it, just everything In-N-Out has. Yum. I'm just getting a boring protein one.
You're not boring, hon. You're special.
No, the burger's boring.
Oh.
Beach baby.
First time.
Such a pretty day out at the beach. What are you eating?
Cranberries.
Birdie's just playing, and we're just enjoying the fresh air. My mom got her the cutest clothes from Baby Gap. They're a little big, but all her newborn stuff in 0 to 3 doesn't fit her anymore. Wait. You gonna touch the water? Chucky toes in the water! Oh, you're okay. You're okay. Hanging at the beach. I love where we live. We're so lucky. Aren't we lucky, hun?
So lucky.
We have a cute little baby. We live at the beach practically.
All the chins we could ever ask.
I know. You got about 4, I've got about 5, and Birdie's got about 3.
Hey, Gabi's YouTube thing. She went to go to the car to feed Birdie, who I think got a little overwhelmed from being at the ocean with all the people and the sounds and everything. She's kind of like me, where if you're at like a social gathering or in a crowded room or something, after a little while you get kind of overwhelmed and have to step out for a second because it's a little stimulating, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, I thought I'd grab her camera while she's feeding Birdie in the car and ramble about nothing, because that's kind of what you do, I think. But yeah, overall, super fun bringing Birdie to the beach for the first time and putting her feet in the water for the first time. And I'm super stoked that we have video to show her later when she's older. God bless. Do you want to go to Encinitas to a coffee shop I just found.
Sure, let's go.
Wanna?
Yeah. We just finished at the beach and now we are apparently headed to Encinitas to go get some coffee and just walk around with Birdie and hang out a little bit more. I feel like we haven't done this in a long time, just hung out as a family, so it's really nice. I'm enjoying my family's company.
Plus me without a shirt on at the beach was kind of a treat for you, probably.
Yep.
Blessed.
Blessed. My husband's the whitest guy on the planet.